Since everybody now they struggle to lose weight, omo, I don't want to be left behind though. I want to share with you guys the shot I take on an empty stomach. I posted the first one last week. I'm going to be making another one this week. So this week I'm going to be making use of ginger, turmeric, grape, and lemon. So I'm just going to peel up the grape, peel up the lemon. I already washed my ginger and turmeric very neat. Honestly, I say make I buy this thing from online. Like, okay, I don't want to stress myself. And they sold 14 bottle, I be 12 bottles for 18 pound. Like, I say, are you serious? And I've got short bottle at home. I bought my lemon 84p and I bought one of the grape 44p. And then for the ginger and turmeric, it's not up to 3 pound. Like, why waste money where you can make this in the comfort of your own home? At least you're sure you're drinking something that is fresh. So I juice the lemon and the grape. I'm going to sieve it very well because I don't want any chaff to be on it. So once I'm done sieving this, next I'm going to proceed to grinding my ginger and turmeric. I would have used my juice machine to juice this thing, but this turmeric, they find trouble. Look at the cup I'm using to grind this thing for a long time now. This is how it is. So I added a little bit of water and then I blend it very, very smooth. Once I'm done blending it, I'm going to sieve it out, separate the water and the chaff. And for the chaff, I'm not going to throw it. I'll keep it aside. Whenever I'm cooking, I will use it for seasoning. So I'm just going to sieve the water out of it, as you can see. And then for the leftover chaff, I'm just going to put it on the ice cube shape. I don't know that I speak that English fine anyway, but we move. And then I'll put it in the freezer, allow it to freeze, and I'll put it in my storage bag. So once I'm done, this is how it looks. Next, I'm just going to put it in the freezer. Back to my grape and lemon, I'll transfer the ginger and turmeric juice into it. And then I'm going to mix it very well and transfer it into my short containers. If you don't have short containers, you can put it in your swam or any kind of container where you get. And then they drink out as you like. If you usually have bloated tummy and you don't know what to do, start taking this shot. It's going to help cure that bloated tummy of yours. Or you'll want to start doing fasting, but you don't know how to start them. Start taking this on an empty stomach. It's going to help cure that hunger and you will fast for a long time. Honestly, today I ate around 6:30. Like, I never tried them before. Try it and come back in the comment section and drop your comment. I take this in the morning and last thing before I go to bed. Thank you for watching. Bye.